guys have an amazing day. Right now I'm gonna be unboxing my DJI Osmo Nano. Yeah, I bought this thing and it just arrived yesterday, and I'm going on a camping trip tomorrow and I cannot wait to bring this girl with me. This is the box. Here's what it looks like. This one top part is the camera one, this one is the screen one. Fresh baby, this is where my new camera here. Hey, this is the screen part. Ta-da!
Osmo Nano.
Look at that! I can just like, yeah. Control center. Okay. I think I'm gonna love this camera. I'm gonna fall in love with this camera. Shooting. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, let's try to record something. Yeah, I just opened this app and like, oh my god, there's my face there. Hello everyone. So right now, my family gonna go on our little shopping spree because we're going on a camping tomorrow. It's only a day trip, so it's not gonna be very long. We're not gonna stay there. I'm so excited for tomorrow, and I will bring you guys along the trip. Fully white marshmallow. Ni dia okey tak?
Okey.
Besar tu. Yeay.
Cukup ke?
Atau ni sesuai ke makan?
Sesuai.
Got two. Patutnya once
Apa? Bersih. Mak teringin. Wah, ni dia. Awak teringin lah.
There's moss but with no cracker.
Ayah punya marshmallow akan paling sedap hari nampak. Kau jatuh juga. Jatuh.
Oh my love.
Okay. How? Okay, how tutorial? Okay. What?